Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a slushie machine from Inoviva. This is a 2-liter slushie machine that can also make milkshakes, cocktails, frappes, slushies, wine, and it has a clean function as well. So once you're done it can clean itself, which is really handy. This is the box of it. Pretty simple looking box, green on the top. Right here on the side we have some specs. So superior frozen drink experience, one touch frozen drinks, 5 preset settings, compact and easy to move, hassle-free clean and refill, and ergonomically designed handle so you can carry it and move it around. The back of it is pretty much the same, and yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and take everything out of the box now, and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna make some drinks. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is what we get. We get the machine itself, which will come back in a second. We have a stand for your cups, so this will just slide right here, and that's it, it's secured, doesn't go anywhere. To remove it, lift up a bit and pull towards you. Now you can remove it, it's that simple, but I'll just keep it like this for now. We have some utensils right here. We have 2 cleaning brushes with different thicknesses. So this one is thicker and this one is less thicker. It's used to obviously go between the gaps and clean everything inside, but as I said, this machine has a cleaning function. They also gave us a support card, so if you got any issues with the machine, please email them at service@inoviva.net or go to their website and they will be more than happy to assist you. We have 2 magazines right here. One of them is a user guide, which also has some nice pictures and recipes, I think. And it will tell you what to do and what to not do, what to put in, what to not put in. Some drinks require less thickness or higher thickness depending on the sugar or alcohol content. And right here we have a diagram. So the handle, which is this one right here, have the max fill line. It will be marked on the machine itself. A fill port and a cover, which is this one right here. So you fill it up from here and then you put the cover back up and that's it. It will just slide back and forth, really simple to use. We have the stirrer blade, which you guys seen already, evaporator and condensation catch. Because of all of that ice, you will create condensation and it will just catch it there and you can empty it from time to time. We have the drip tray, which I showed you already. Have the control panel on the front, the touch display, which is this one right here. Obviously right now you don't see anything because it's off. We have the base and the power cord, which is this one. We have a UK power cord right here, but depending on your region it will come with either European or American plug depending on where you live. And to remove this we have a lock right here, a handle. So release this handle and then this can be pulled off. If you wanna start making the drinks, make sure this is always locked like this. It won't go anywhere. That's the safe way of operating this machine. And I want to say that this machine came pretty well packed. Besides all the foam, it had another box, outer box, that this box came inside of it, and it has so much foam and so much protection. Even inside there's another box with more protection, so they just made sure that it won't get damaged during the transport. And yeah, pretty much that's it. This is what you get inside the box. It looks really good. You have everything you need here, all the instructions as well. Make sure, as I said, give this a read before using it so you'll understand the capabilities of this machine and you can get the most out of it. So yeah, that being said, let's go ahead and set it up and make some drinks. Alright, so I have set everything up. It pretty much comes assembled, so you don't have to do much about that, but I have took the container out and I washed it and then I put it back in just to be safe. I always do that with any new product. The cable, the power cord, it's pretty lengthy. I think it's got about 1.5 meters, so it will reach any part of your kitchen basically, or whatever you want to put this. As you can see, I have the wall socket on top there, and it reaches this no problem, and I still have some length left. And I'm going to make a soda slushy. Basically we have the ingredients right here. It's basically just soda. You can put anything you want in here. So if you want 2 to 3 servings, you put 2 cans. 4 to 6 servings, you put 4 0.35 cans or 6 cups. So I put 3. Some soda right here, I still have 1. I put 3. All you have to do is, as I showed you before, slide this towards you, put the soda in or whatever ingredients you want, and then slide it back. Make sure this is locked. So this should be down as it is right now. And basically after that, all you have to do, just select slushy right here, select the intensity. I'm gonna leave it on 4, but obviously you can increase or decrease it. I'm gonna leave it on 4, select slushy, and just press start. As you can see, it starts turning, and right now we will wait. I'm gonna wait, and when I come back, I'm gonna tell you guys how many minutes it passed for it to make it an actual slushy. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes. As you can see, everything is ready. I have set it up one step lower, so it's now on level 3. It was on level 4. And yeah, 20 minutes, 3 cans of soda. It turned into slushy. And I think now it's time to pour it. So to pour it, all you have to do is just obviously put a cup under it, and then pull this lever towards you. The thickness might be a bit too, it might be a bit too thick, but it's getting there. And there you go, soda slushy. It's really nice, especially for the summer days. It's got a nice thickness to it as well. You can do lemonade, you can do cocktails, you can do frappe. As I said, there's a bunch of recipes here, or you can look on the internet for slushy recipes, but they have some pre-made ones already. Syrup, alcohol, whatever your cup of tea is, you can use this machine for it. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.